If you're looking to manage your stress more effectively, whether you're working toward better gut health or you're wanting to manage an autoimmune disease more effectively, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Gut Health Made Simple. My name is Kim and I'm your host. Through my journey toward better gut health in order to manage my rheumatoid arthritis, I have found that recently I'm seeing so much good from creation and from the things that God has given me. And I've been led to start doing like daily prayer and reflection. And just like everything else in this channel, I'm trying to share things that have worked for me with others who might benefit. So I'll be starting a new playlist and it's going to be called Prayer and Reflection. And I invite you to check out those videos. You can listen while you're driving. You can start your morning off with a little reflection, or you can end your day with reflection. If you're not driving, I do recommend that you do have a notebook so that you can write down some of your thoughts as we go through the different reflections. The way that these are going to be set up is that I will just give a brief welcome, and then we'll have a very calm background, a little bit of light music, and I'll be reading through either the daily verse or the daily reflection. After each verse or reflection, you'll have time to kind of go over it, think about it, and then I'll have a couple prompts or questions that you can either think about to yourself or log them in your journal. So with that being said, I'd like to welcome you to the new playlist, Prayer and Reflection, and I hope that you enjoy it.